Okay, folks, we are Tuesday, 23rd of May 2023, and the Spoos here is in a little bit of trouble. We've had the breakout and we're well primed waiting for a pullback. I like the 4176s, as I was saying yesterday. We get that pullback, the 80 bars on the right hand side of your screen here, 30-minute bars here. It looks like, pullback to there. Now, this could go deep. So, if you get blown out in the 4176s, 75s, even, I think it's probably going to come back deep and test into the trend here that we broke out from. And we luckily have that identified here. And that's going to come in around 4129s today. All right. So we got a whole lot of guidance here on the S&P on a couple of different levels, but really I think it's either 4175s long, and if that breaks down, 4129s, and we may not get the 29s in today, but coming up shortly, we do have some data breaking. Building permits has just come out there, tier 1 data, but we just really don't see much on this movement on these housing figures and building permits figures. It's just come out there, beat 1.147 mil above 1.416. Okay, and then the building permits beat there of negative 1.4 above a reading expected of negative 1.5. Very small changes here. But the big stuff for today, services PMIs and new home sales coming out at services at 245 and the new home sales at 3. And then Richmond manufacturing to come there at 3 as well, but don't worry about that. Fed's Pascal speaking at 335 as well. All right, look, what's happening here? Well, we're pulling back. That's basically it on equities, So Dow, I like 33,209s to find some supports here. Generally, Nasdaq, I think we can come a hell of a ways back here on Nasdaq. Let's just have a little gander here. Nasdaq, yeah, I think we could go back to 13,628. So how do you like that? 13,628. So that's going to be right the way back down here into this old area. So yeah, same as guidance yesterday. So, if we don't get that today, I think, it's worth waiting for that pullback to get to there anyway. So let's see, it's a 1.5 there on the yearly. So what else are we going to look at? Oil. Breaking to the upside. Nice activities here on oil. Just take all that crud, I should say, off the charts. We get a little bit of this going on. I've been keeping my drawings quite sparse. Actually, no, hold on, let's do this. Here on oil. 74.03 seems to be a target on the upside, and you can see we've kind of broken above. We'll just do this. We've kind of broken above the 72.40s. Sorry, what is it? 72.50s this morning. But really just holding the low there, 71.89s. QP val for those who know on the team, they know. And holding that imbalance up. The best thing we could hope for now for a long on oil is probably a pullback to VWAP, ETH VWAP on 72.30s and then go. All right. I don't think we need to go back to the QP val to pick up more buyers at this point. I think we've done it. I think we've already had the RPB long. I'll show you this trade here. This is one of these. There's two core 4 trade, or there's one core trade here that occurred this morning, and it's this, the RPB long on the P-val. Bang, up she goes. So I think if we get pulled back to here, that's going to be another one of the core 4 trades, a BPB long on the P-val. And then look for the 74s handle, and then really the imbalance to continue to 74.38. All right, what else? Nat gas this morning also getting a little bit bid here on Nat gas. Core 4 trade along the P-val. Bang, 2.520s. Watch out though for 2.510s. Largest order in the book is sitting right there. There's also quite some size down here around 2.410s and 405. So yeah, just watch out. We've had a good little rejection on that little bit of a gap there that has been closed since. But yeah, I just be a bit careful here on that gas today, guys. you know, you really just want to stay on the right side of that thing because it can put in much bigger ranges than you're expecting. Euro, yeah, facing a bit of weakness here as well. And the VIX, I think we're going to do another 2% up on the VIX, which is currently up 0.5% right now. I think we'll test yesterday's highs on the VIX today. So yeah, all right, that's it for the pre-US. Take it easy.